So let's get into specifics on this. So of the things that you've built thus far right now with your agency, what are the things that are the most high leverage, and specifically like exactly how did you set those up? You talked about agents. Is that maybe where you want to start?
I would say agents.
So how are you building them with Claude? Like how specifically are you setting them up? Like with, what do they look like? What kinds of tools are you using?
I would say it's the agents, which are quite new because they are more on autopilot right now. Up until then, it was like we need to prompt something, we need to wait, and we need to guide it a bit more. And now it's way more on autopilot. What we did is we created a database in the backend using Airtable, and in Airtable we have like different informations about our clients, about the brand, about the products, and based on
what kinds of stuff are you giving him in Airtable? You're giving it like the name, the vertical, the website. You're giving it like persona. Are you giving it the persona? What other stuff are you putting in there?
Persona, and it depends on the brand, but sometimes you need to go down on product level. Sometimes you can just say on the brand level, depends on the brand and each case. And based on this, we've created two different agents. One agent I would say that's unique to the EU, because in the EU, in Meta's ads library, you have a transparency guideline, which means in the EU, you can see how much reach an advertiser had on one ad or the other ad. That's unique in the EU compared to the US. And based on this, my idea was, why can't we create an agent that always analyzes the ad library and checks for ads with the highest reach from up to 5 competitors, analyzes those, and then pushes back angle ideas that we might be missing. So we always like monitoring competitor brands from our clients, their ads library. We always see which ads, or we see based on the transparency rules in ads library, which of those ads get the highest reach. And I would say in most cases, not in all cases, but in most cases, the highest reach means the best performance. Not in all cases, but in most. And based on this, this information, so the ads, scraped using Apify, which is like a tool for APIs, basically. We're scraping data out of the ads library. We are also uploading the images into Airtable, and we are also pulling the videos. The videos is then pushed to Whisper from OpenAI, which is transcribing the video, and then we have everything that's set basically in the video in Airtable, and then Claude is going for everything and is ranking, okay, this is a good angle, this is a good angle. That's my idea for you guys, that you create this or that angle, that you may be missing this or that, or this is good done by whatever type of brand. That's quite helpful.
So you're having, the agent goes through and you're continuing to feed it all this information. And other than the tools that you mentioned, you're using Claude as the one that's plugging into Airtable, Apify, using Whisper. Are there other tools in there that are helping like pull it together? And if so, what are those?
It's pretty much that. It's Claude, which is like the architect and which is building my ideas. Airtable, Apify and Whisper. Yeah, that's it for that case. We also have another case where so this is like the ad library agent, and we have kind of the same idea. We had kind of the same idea with customer reviews, and we are not pulling customer reviews from our clients. We are pulling the reviews from their competitors, which means we always see the top 3 positive and top 3 negative comments from the competitors, from our clients, which is kind of the same idea. We always get ideas for like, okay, these are angles you're missing. These are angles that are maybe like a anti-pitch angle, whatever, because they are lacking in quality here or there. You could go into that direction as an angle with for your client. And basically, get this information out of Trustpilot, Trusted Shops, and Amazon. Also done with Apify and Claude and Airtable in the background.
Just a follow-up. A lot of people I talk to, they use Supabase versus Airtable. I know they both do the same things. But what I'm interested in trying to understand is what are you doing then with all the learnings and the data that Claude gives you based on what it's analyzing?